always be humble. Don't forget where you were. And when you're faced with someone who's very arrogant and is just, use that as a moment to thank Allah. That, Ya Allah, I thank you for guiding me. I thank you for not giving me that sort of mentality. Always be humble when it comes to your da'wah.
Do things that will take you to heaven. When the Prophet ﷺ was asked about people who will enter Jannah, we want to know their qualities. Those who are going to go to paradise, tell us what are their qualities. You know what he said? He said, Taqwallahi wa husnul khuluqi. There are two things that take people to heaven: consciousness of Allah and the greatness of your character and conduct. My brothers and sisters, ask yourself, how conscious are you of Allah? How conscious am I?
How many of you were born Muslim? How many of you? All of us were born Muslim. I know we're going to have that answer, but how many of you were born into Muslim families? Raise your hand again, please. Everyone raise your hand that was born into Muslim families. Do you realize how easy you had it? People spend their entire lives trying to find Islam, trying to find meaning and purpose in life. And it was just given to you when you were born. And Imam al-Shafi'i rahimahullah ta'ala, he has a very beautiful dua. Listen to this dua. This is especially now for those who were born into households of Islam. قال يا رب رزقتني الإسلام ولم أسألك. Oh my Lord, you gave me Islam and I didn't even ask you for it. فارزقني الجنة وأنا أسألك. So give me Jannah and I'm asking you for it. Meaning you were merciful enough to give me Islam without me even having to ask you for it. So give